Hi, this is April from In Motion Checking. Today we will do section B of the exterior inspection. So it'd be the door, rear tractor axle, and coupling system. Okay? We start off with the door. My door properly opens and closes. It is sealed all the way around with the rubber seal. It is also properly hinged and it's not bent, broken, or cracked all in one piece. This is my mirror. It's all in one piece, not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware, no illegal stickers to obstruct my view. Moving on to my steps. My steps are not bent, broken, or cracked, all in one piece, no major damage, no grease, no oil to cause an accident. This is my fuel tank. My fuel tank is not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware. It is filled to level, capped, and not leaking. My cap is secure with the metal chain so it doesn't fly off. This is my side marker. My side marker is amber in color. It's not cracked, not broken, and not burnt out. It's used for my left and right indicator and four-way flasher. All right, move to my rear tractor. This is my catwalk, my steps, and my frame. They're all in one piece, no major damage, not bent, broken, or cracked, no grease, no oil, no debris to cause an accident. Okay, towards the middle right here, we have a drive shaft that is connected to U-joints. They are not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware, nothing wrapped around my drive shaft. We're gonna move on to our rear tractor axle. I always start with brakes first because they're on the inside compartment. So again, we have brake hoses. My brake hoses are not ripped, not torn, not frayed, and also not leaking. Connected to my chamber. My chamber is secure with the clamp. My chamber is not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware, and it is not leaking. I have a push rod and a slack adjuster. They are not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware. Push rod no more than 2 inches of free play. Slack adjuster always at a 90-degree angle, secure with cutter pins. Inside compartment, I have brake drums and brake pads. They are not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware. Brake pads have no less than a 1/4 inch of life, no black or white residue, black meaning metal friction, grease or oil, white meaning a fire extinguisher was used. Then we move on to our suspension. This is called our spring torque. We have leaf springs, we have U-bolts. Okay? Those are all not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware. Leaf springs are not scissored. U-bolts secure your leaf springs. I also have a shock absorber that is not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware, and not leaking. I also have airbags with airbag hoses. You can see them more towards the back. They're not ripped, not torn, not frayed, and also not leaking. And that concludes my suspension. Then I move on to my tires. These are my tires in the back. Recap is okay. They are not ripped, not torn, not frayed, and also not leaking. No less than 232 thread life at 80 to 100 PSI, your manufacturer specified. I have to have at least a 4-inch spacer between my tires. This is my rim and my lug nuts. They are not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware. No rust or shiny threads that would indicate looseness. This is my axle hub. It is sealed. It is not bent, broken, or cracked, probably secure, not leaking. The back is filled with oil. If I needed to fill it, I will fill through the differential. All right, move on to the rear. These are my mud flaps. They are not ripped, not torn, not frayed, and they are 4 to 6 inches off the ground. Okay, move on to my lights. I have a set of lights, red and white in color. They are not cracked, they are not broken, and they are not burnt out. Red, I use my left, right, four-way flasher, brakes, and running lights. My white are used for my reverse. All right, now I'm done with section B, and again, I will do coupling system once again, okay? I have air hoses and electrical connected to my tractor, suspended on a bungee, connected to my trailer. My air hoses are not ripped, not torn, not frayed, and not leaking. Connected to my trailer with glad hands. My glad hands are not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware, no illegal welds. Inside my glad hands, I have a rubber seal that's not ripped, not torn, not frayed, and not leaking. Red is emergency, blue is service. In the middle, I have an electrical cable. It's not ripped, not torn, not frayed, connected to both sides, no exposed wires, and properly connected. Now I'm going to move on to my fifth wheel. My fifth wheel is not bent, broken, or cracked, properly secure, no missing hardware, all in one piece, and no illegal welds. Starting from the bottom to the top, I have mounting bolts. They're all present, no rust or shiny threads that would indicate looseness. I have a release arm. It's currently in the lock position. It locks and unlocks my locking jaws. Locking jaws are embracing my kingpin. Both locking jaws and kingpin are properly greased. Kingpin is welded to my pickup apron. All right. This is my pickup apron, and this is my pickup apron, and this is my skid plate. There's no space between them, and they're always properly greased. Lock pin and cutter pin are present. And with this, I conclude my exterior inspection. Thank you.